What is copy trading? Hey everyone, this is Sachinwari. Copy trading is a modern trading method where you automatically copy the trades of an experienced trader. Instead of analyzing the market yourself, you follow a professional trader, and whenever they place a trade, the same trade is executed in your account proportionally. It is designed to make trading easier, safer, and more accessible for everyone. To help you understand this better, I will explain it in 3 phases using examples. Number 1, base signal. Base trading is a method where trader or company provides buy and sell signals to members. Number 2, account management. Account management is a trading model where you hand over your trading account to a professional trader or company. Number 3, copy trading corporate or copy trading is the most advanced and secure trading system. Let me tell you how it is work. You open and fund your own trading account. You do not give account access to anyone. You simply connect your account to a professional trader. Trades are copied automatically in your account. That's why this method is much better in terms of trust and risk. Here, you can apply different risk management settings and earn a handsome amount. Thank you.